Previously on the life of a broski.
Perfect.
Right, doing this whilst you're fasting, it's not as easy as I thought. And action. Hello broskis, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where I bring you sneakers, lifestyle, and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. So on today's episode broskis, I have got the Nike Air Max 2090 Blue Void. So broskis, the reason why I'm only providing on foot footage with this sneaker is because I've got tons of other colorways in review format. Now this colorway did come later than expected, so I ended up going with the white and black colorways to review. So broskis, I hope you enjoy the on foot footage. Don't forget to leave your comments underneath, smash that like button, and of course, until the next episode, take care.